Okay, so we've got the Amiga 500, and last time I was playing with this Amiga game selector that had been put online. It was for the Raspberry Pi, and it's 3.1 alpha testing, etc. Anyway, it had RTG in it. I put in the video core drivers, I put in the USB driver and the internet, the Wi-Fi. And now I've gone and also installed Magellan, and I've got it running on 4 windows. You see? And you can have different backgrounds and different windows. I'll get rid of this one here. Don't know where it went. It's still a bit buggy, it's still things flying around in all different directions. And but you can have different icons if you've got them sort of, you can set them up as buttons. These are just examples. I'll make myself a little icon maker as well, which cuts them out, which is pretty good. And what else? You can run AGS in a window, but it will launch onto your RGB. I'm not going to switch it on now for that, but also some other window. Ah yes, I compiled this. So the sound is off because we're running the Amiga, so we'll shut these all off. We don't need to do more of that. Oh yeah, just cancel. Let's just go down. It's paused. I've got to unpause it manually. Oh, whatever that is. Window. So that's that one. What's here? Okay, so there is no sound on these, I don't think. No, there's silence. So what we'll do is we'll run them again. We'll run them a little snapshot. Oh, it's gone elsewhere, unfortunately. What's happened here? Okay. For some reason I can't get there, but let's run this. I see. We'll see where that opens. See, sometimes, oh, there you go. Sometimes the palette's wrong, but let's have a look. Let's load, I think Wonder Boy in Monsterland is in there, and it's got fast disk loading as well. A similar setup. I think the joystick is plugged. No, press fire button. Definitely not working. The colours look a bit weird, but still, so you can switch between them. Okay, so fire button is, I think it's locked onto the first. How do you get to the front of this plane? Can't remember how to play that. Anyway. Oh, sound's gone off. Okay, interesting. So that's something to look into as well. It seems to play okay. So there's that one there, and then this other thing that I came across. It's a really interesting thing. Infinity Music Player, I think it's called. If my internet's on, it says I'm online. I might pause it till it comes on. I'll tell you what I'll do. Because it's not coming online, you get to see how it boots. So this is the boot sequence of this Magellan type OS. It's just a simple workbench screen. There's nothing really loading yet. And then one load, and two will load, and 3 and 4, and you're back to where you were. Oh, I changed it to this. One of them must have saved it this. You can change your theme just by going in here and loading a theme. There you go. So you can do that as well. And where is our base? Here it is. Let's see if I can run this one more time. Work, web, IMP, and this is an online music player and chat and file share, and you basically get this little play button. Press play. And there you go. And you skip it. But yeah, you can go in here and you can see, you can take screenshots, you can chat to people. Let's have a look. Yeah, you can take screenshots. Where's the file browser? Disk. I think it's here already. It's ready. Okay, so you got a storage browser, and okay. Interesting. Large HD. Yeah. Browse songs. You can play demos as well. You can launch demos directly from in here. It'll download them and launch WHD load. So that's pretty cool as well. You have favorites as well. What are the favorites? Can't see it. Yeah. That's it. We'll leave it at that.